only that, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this one. It's just 2 simple ingredients, guys. Very, very simple ingredients I've been using. All right, and these 2 ingredients, it's such an amazing ingredients, guys. But I think I'm gonna be using the naughty blender. Because you don't know what happened. You know that did you know that carrot is a little bit stained? Carrot is stained, you know. A lot of people doesn't know that. All right. So I'm gonna be using this blender. Cause this blender, I got 2 blender. One of my audience then donate and also support Chef Ricardo for me to buy the other blender. I need to do the video on that to tell you guys thanks for the support. All right, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this blender instead of use the other one. So right here, I got some carrot which I'm already cut up. I'm gonna put the carrot into the blender like this. So because I'm already cut up the carrot, I'm just gonna kick off the show instantly. All right, and that is lovely. Now, the beautiful thing about this is carrot, all right, guys, mixed with pomegranate seed and ginger and lime juice. It's a beautiful recipe. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get the pomegranate seed. So we got the carrot inside of it, and this is a pomegranate seed. I love pomegranate seed, guys. It's a beautiful combination mixed together. Alright, and just I'm using 2-pack. I went to the supermarket and I was looking at the pomegranate seed and I said to myself, wow, there's no way I can't come and buy this. This is very good for your pomegranate seed. So right there, that's the pomegranate seed and the carrot. Perfect. Now we're gonna cut up some ginger and put it inside of it. That's the ginger. All right. We need to have a large portion of ginger, and that's what's gonna make the difference with this drink. Now we're gonna get some water and add to it. So we just want to make sure we have enough liquid. That means the blender doesn't stifle when you're blending it. All right, so the liquid is a little bit over the ingredients. As you guys can see exactly what's going on right there. Beautiful recipe, and I just decided to share with you that you guys can also make it at home in your own confident time or in your own space when you want to do something lovely at home. Now, we're going to make some noise in the kitchen. All right. Lovely. So here it is. We're going to blend it up and then we're going to run it through the strainer and then we'll put some more bits and pieces to it. So stay tuned in and don't go anywhere. So what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to run it through this naughty strainer. This one right here. Then let's make some noise. Okay, lovely. Now the beautiful thing you don't want to do, you don't want to be blending it too long. Because when you blend it too long, it turns into smoothie. Alright, so I just quickly make sure it blends perfectly. So now I'm going to run it through the naughty strainer. Why you call it naughty strainer? Because this one, 95% of the fiber go through it. So that's why I love it. And then I just want to do a thing like this. So it's carrot with pomegranate seed juice. So you don't want to blend it too long, you just want to make sure it blends perfectly. And then you are good to go. This is good, guys. I love it. Really nice combination. Beetroot, also a very good combination with pomegranate seed. So basically I use roughly about 4 medium-sized carrot. That's what I use, all right? Yeah, because carrots stain, guys. You know, so I didn't want to use my other blender. Yeah. Lovely. Some people would use sugar to sweeten it. I'm using organic sweet honey. I'm gonna put some honey inside of it. Eye measurement. Alright? And it's organic. 99.9% organic. Alright? I don't even need to taste it because I know exactly what Chef Ricardo is doing. Now, we're gonna squeeze up some lime in it. Alright? Yeah, we're gonna put some lime juice inside of it. That's it, guys. You can see what Chef Ricardo talking about right here. Look at this. Even Thanksgiving Day, you can make this too. Christmas, you can also make it too. That is lovely. Now, the only thing I'm gonna do, and I love to do it this way, I don't know about you guys, but I like to run it through my other strainer. This one is a baby strainer. I love it so much. So basically, what's gonna happen is gonna look at this now. That's why I like to use this strainer also. Because when I run it through another strainer, it come out really smoother. Alright, so all of this you get right there. Beautiful. Now, the beautiful thing is it's a simple ingredients, but remember, it's also beautiful to drink at home. Alright? I love it. Look at this. Now, when you want to do a certain kind of drink like this, I'm going to tell you the best way to serve it up. Alright? Take Chef Ricardo advice. Is this. Alright? Get some ice. Alright? When you get the ice, then what you want to do next is this. Get some lemon or lime. Put in the bottom of it. And get some more ice. Alright. Into the glass. Straight inside of it. Lots of ice. That's the #1 way to serve up this beautiful drink. Then what you want to do, pour that beautiful drink inside of it where you just made. Trust me, guys, if you ever serve a drink like this, your guests will love you. Yeah? Your guests will love you, guys. Honestly, they will just surprise them with something different at home when you're gonna serve them. Pomegranate seed and carrot juice. Beautiful recipe from Chef Ricardo cooking to you guys today. If you like the ingredients and you like the idea, leave your comments at home, and you also have a lot of benefit right there. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned in. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and lots of tips will be coming for you guys, where you guys can also make at home. All right, big up on yourself, and my respect goes for you every time. All right, whole heap of love, and my respect goes for you. Look at that. That is such a lovely one. All right.